Did you guys know Lowbrow makes ratchet straps? Ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. It's a really nice box. Even has like a little carry handle on it, so you can put your ratchet straps in there and store them safely, properly wound up. Listen, I'm going to be honest, mine are never going to be wound up this nicely after this. But if you were a lot more meticulous than I am, you can totally use your Lowbrow box to store your Lowbrow ratchet straps. Anyways, these are really nice ratchet straps. They're much better than the ones you're getting from Walmart. They have nice D-rings on them, which make them easy to attach to things. Also, more importantly, to make sure they stay attached to things when you're tying it down or moving stuff around, because it's obnoxious when the hooks come off. And uncoil these. They even have a built-in soft strap to put around your handlebars. Woo! That way you don't have to put the metal hook right on your handlebars and risk damaging anything. Now, the metal hooks do have a coating on there, but you know how that can still damage stuff. So it has a built-in soft strap. They're nice and wide, so they're easy to catch when you drop them. They even have a nice eyelet on this end for the other end of the ratchet to attach to, if that's what you're doing. And of course, big, heavy, nice solid ratchets. You hear how the thing goes nice and click, click? Yeah, it's not like a cruddy imported one. So, in my opinion, these are a 5-star product. You can have your opinion, that's fine. But I'm going to buy mine from Lowbrow, so there you go.